Sit. Sit. Yes, can you sit? Yes, let's all sit. And thumbs up if you're ready to make sun tea.
Thumbs up if you're ready to make sun tea. Thumbs. Good.
All right. And you can, oh, and someone did it there. Okay. I see everyone has what they need for sun tea. I'm scrolling through.
And
Everybody quiet. And we will get started. First, we need our jar. Can you get out your jar? Very nice. Can you, and
Yeah.
okay, just making sure. If you have a jar, open your lid. Open your lid and take it off. Okay, now can you take your 2 tea bags? 1 tea bag. 2 tea bags. Now use your fingers. Open, follow directions. Open the tea bags. Ooh, rip. Rip. And rip off. Listen all the way. You must listen. Please take the tea bag out. Listen to all of the directions. Listen to the directions, and then you can do it. We're going to do this together. If you have a tag at the end of your bag, take it off. So we're going to wait for everyone to open their tea bag, their wrapper, rip their wrapper, and rip the tag. So you can have a string and your bag.
I ripped mine. Yeah.
Good, that's okay. And just rip it. Rip the wrapper. Rip. Does everybody have 2 tea bags ready to go?
Do the other one. Keep that on.
Everybody have their tea bags? Thumbs up if you have your tea bags. Are you ready? Oh, good. Okay. Let's see. I'm watching. I'm checking for everyone, so we're going together. All right. Excellent. Good. Now, take your tea bag and put it inside. Drop. Drop. Boop. And then drop your other tea bag in. Ready? Drop. Ooh, it makes a fun sound. Let's smell our tea. Can you smell your tea bags? Mmm. What kind of tea do you have?
We can do something else.
Chamomile.
Okay. I
have mint. Orange spice.
Ooh. What's the name of your tea? What kind of tea is it? Nettle leaves. Ooh, that smells good.
I have mint.
Mint. All right. If everyone has their tea bag, let's get our pitcher of water.
Picture water.
2 hands. Do we have 2 hands? And pour your water in the jar. We're following directions.
Into this.
Going up. Going up. Keep pouring. 2 hands.
I love the sounds.
Going up. Getting more full. 2 hands.
See now.
Use 2 hands.
Going up. Almost. See? Getting more full. Keep pouring until it's at the top.
No, but that's
Oh, I'm at the top. 2 hands. 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 2 hands
I don't think this is enough. I think it's enough.
There it is. Does everyone have water in their jar? The water is inside the jar and the tea bags are inside the jar. Okay. Ready for the next step? I'm going to swipe through and make sure everyone's ready for the next step. Thank you for being patient. It takes patience to make tea. All right, let's see. I see everyone is ready. Okay, now I'm going to let's everybody get your honey. Honey, get your honey, honeys. Get your honey, honeys. My honey comes in a jar where the lid is at the bottom. The lid is at the bottom of my jar. And I need 1 tablespoon. Do you have your tablespoon?
Dada, I need 1 tablespoon. It's right there. Where?
We will wait. We can wait for everyone. Everyone's tablespoon is the same size, but they might have different colors. They're made out of different material. Now, let's take our honey, follow directions. We have to be patient and wait for everyone. Open your honey or get ready to scoop your honey into the tablespoon.
Yum, yum.
Fill it up. Fill it up. Squeeze or scoop. Get it nice and full. Mine looks like this. Oh, I think I need a little more. Okay, and if you make a mess, that's okay. There it is. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now, in it goes. You might need to use your finger, which is why you have your napkin to wipe afterwards. In it goes. Pour the honey in. Wow, look at that. Keep pouring. Try and keep your spoon away from your mouth. I know that is a challenge. Honey sour, sweet, bitter, or salty?
I don't have a tablespoon or anything of those.
Can you imagine? A lot of candy is made with honey. What do you think it might be?
Sweet.
Sweet, yes. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey because my jar is large. And you can add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons.
Oh.
Look at that. Where does honey come from?
Me.
Yes.
I know bees.
Yes, it comes from bees.
Yes, bees.
Yes, thank you, bees. Thank you for making honey. Thank you, bees. Do you know where bees live?
In
Yes.
a hive.
They do. They live in a hive. Yes, they do. Where I live on a farm, we have a whole bunch of beehives in special things called bee boxes. Now, you can take your finger and put it in the honey, maybe even taste it, and then wipe it. Of course, wash your hands later, right? Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. We're in a special time where we have to pay very close attention to germs. And you can put your tablespoon in and stir it.
You did do it.
Stir, stir, stir. Get that honey out if you'd like. Tap, tap, tap. And it goes, and then put your tablespoon down. Good following directions. I hear that. Now, get your lid. Let's make sure everyone's ready. I'm going to swipe through. Swipe through. Show me your lid so I know you're ready, please. Thank you for following directions. I see your lid. Okay. I see lots of lids.
Me.
We can wait. No problem. We can wait. And when you're ready, put your lid on your jar and twist it close. Oops, I made a mistake. I have to try again. Be very careful. Takes patience. I am being patient. Very tight. Because the next step is, if you have a lid, we're going to shake with 2 hands. If you have a lid, we are going to shake. 2 hands, ready? This way and that way. Up and down. Up and down. And if the honey is stuck on the bottom, that's okay. It will get warm and you can shake it later. Shake, shake, shake. Turn. Shake, shake, shake. We have our jars. We shake them. Okay, ready? This is the best part. Take your sun tea, take your jar, and go put it outside in the sun. 2 hands.
Spot. 2 hands.
Walk and go find a sunny spot. Come right back. Come right back after you leave into the sunny spot. I'm finding my sunny spot. Sunny spot. And then come back and give me thumbs up when you're ready. Let's put our thumbs up and down. Up and down. 1 thumb up. 1 thumb down. Who can follow directions? 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs down. 1 thumb up. 2 thumbs up. Wiggle your thumbs. Nice direction following. Put your thumbs down, both thumbs down. All right, and put your thumbs in your lap. All right, now guess what? I have some sun tea that I made that was made earlier. Would you like to see what sun tea looks like when it's all made? Thumbs up if you'd like to see it. Yes.
Yes,
This.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
This
Yes.
is sun tea. When it's all ready, look at the color.
What minutes do you need? I want
Guess
to
what?
Good question.
question.
Good question.
You have to wait 1, 2, 3 hours. Have to wait after breakfast, after circle time, after lunchtime, and after rest time. When you're in the afternoon and you've had a rest and you get up after your rest, even if you're not napping, even if you're just resting, that's when your sun tea is ready. Have to be so patient. Just like when there's a little seed and we're practicing patience with that song. We have to be so patient. A little wait. This is a long wait. And in the afternoon, your sun tea will be ready to drink. You can take it and you can drink it, and it's so delicious. I'm going to taste some right now.
No, 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 no.
Okay. Let's. Ooh, I can smell the herbs from the tea. This is chamomile. Ooh, and it smells sweet like the honey. 2 hands. This is my tea. I can drink from the jar. It's my tea. If you are sharing your tea, what would you need to pour into?
A straw.
A jar, yes. Or what else? Yes, or a cup. Yes. All right, this is my tea. Ready?
Oh my God.
Ooh, it's so good. I can't wait for you to try your tea. Ooh, it's cold because mine was out a little longer, and but it's warm when it comes right out of the sun. Oh, it's so good. And it's sweet and it's herbal. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Thank you. Can you put thumbs up if you're ready to try your tea later, if you're able to be patient?
And Miss Kylie, does the sun kind of cook the tea bags? Is that what the sun's doing?
Yes. Oh, thank you for asking, Miss Sharon. That's exactly what happens. When we make tea, what temperature water do we normally use?
Hot.
Yes, normally we use hot water. What is going to heat up the water this time? Can somebody raise their hand?
Sun.
The sun. Yes, the sun. The sun is going to warm up your water. And the warm water is going to slowly cook our tea bags. All of the good nutrients, all of the flavor from the tea, the herbs in the tea will go into the water. It infuses the water. Thank you, Miss Sharon. That was a great question. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Well, everybody, thank you for making sun tea today with me, with us. That was so fun. Can we all clap?
Thank you, Miss
Well done.
Well
Thank
done.
you. And we'll all wave goodbye. We love you.
Love you.
Now,